Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E capsules before hair wash. First, understand that vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can significantly benefit your scalp and hair. It helps improve blood circulation to the scalp, which encourages healthy hair growth and can even reduce oxidative stress. This simple pre-wash routine can make a big difference. To begin, carefully puncture 1 or 2 vitamin E capsules using a clean pin or scissors. Squeeze the rich oil into a small, clean bowl. For best results, mix this vitamin E oil with an equal amount of a carrier oil, such as coconut, jojoba, or olive oil. This dilution helps with easier application and absorption. Now, take the prepared oil mixture and gently massage it directly into your scalp using your fingertips. Focus on areas that need extra attention. After massaging your scalp, distribute any remaining oil through the length of your hair strands, from the roots all the way to the ends. Ensure you achieve even coverage for maximum benefit. Once applied, allow the vitamin E oil to penetrate your scalp and hair for at least 30 minutes. For a more intensive conditioning treatment, you can leave it on for several hours or even overnight. Finally, wash your hair thoroughly with your regular shampoo and conditioner to remove all traces of the oil, revealing softer, healthier hair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.